An African eagle owl, with eyes adapted for the darkness and fringed wings that reduce noise. He swoops silently down on rodents and reptiles. But under a full moon, his usual prey will see him coming. So instead, he targets smaller victims hiding in the grass. To catch them, the eagle owl must get off his perch and chase them down on foot. A wolf spider makes a tasty supplement to his normal diet. But to get the same calories he'd find in a mouse, he'll have to catch up to 30 spiders. With more than 60 different species on his nightly menu, the eagle owl isn't exactly a fussy eater.